Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. This is video 6 in our Shabby Triple Stack Book. It's an envelope stack book, and this is the flip through. Now, this was a tutorial on showing how to make an envelope stack book. I always pause after that because I forget to say book. So there aren't any pockets or cards. This is just to show how to build the base. Okay, now speaking of base, the base of this book is 2 manila folders, and so some of the cards are actually manila folder, but everything else is made out of envelopes and some CD covers, which are envelopes as well. So on the cover stack, there are 3 envelope stacks in this book, just so you know. That's why it's called a triple stack book. The cover stack, and also in this book, there are 28 magnets total. And let's see, I think I used about 18 kit pages, and all the kit pages are from my Porch Prints, and they're not kits, actually, they're paper packs. So if you look in the listing below, then you'll see the names of the ones that I used and a link to their Etsy shop. So the first is a CD cover, and of course it has a pocket here on the side, another CD cover with a pocket on the side, and then an envelope. And then, like I said, there are places for pockets all through. And there's a magnet here. Side pocket. Then this, whoa, there's a magnet. It holds it really well. Top pocket. This opens this way. And this is a CD cover, so the CD opens this way. Writing space. If it's a big solid color, I left it as a writing space, so this is a place for a pocket. And then this whole thing opens up. Writing space. And I did put a couple of belly bands in. This one I put in because it has an acetate window. So when you put something in the belly band, you'll be able to see through, but I really liked this paper, so I left it like that. Okay, I'm not going to tie these back, so things are going to flop. Then you untie the main book, and you open it up. I made a 3/4 inch spine. That way you can put a journal in if you want. This does take up most of the 3/4 inch spine area as far as the thickness goes, but you still could sew in a small journal if you wanted to. This over here, oh, I forgot, on the first page, all the base underneath or above the manila folder, that you can see there's a thumb hole here. They're 6x9 pamphlet mailer envelopes. So there's also a large pocket up here. So on this side, there's a large pocket at the top. There are 2 pockets in the sides. These are all envelopes. They're also put on the page as pockets. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. On this side is the second envelope stack. Open it up. The top one, the top CD cover is always, you know, you're not going to be able to hold it by a magnet, but all the other pages in here are held together by magnets. And this one is a side pocket. And this opens this way with a magnet. I went ahead and put the belly band in there. CD with a side pocket and a large pocket. You put these back. And then the whole stack opens. And you have a second stack. And this opens this way. And this is a large envelope here. And I forgot, there's another pocket at the top up here. CD, envelope, envelope. So then this actually opens up. I thought this opened up this wide. This is writing space. And then this opens this way. I thought the whole thing opened out. Who knows? It probably does. And then I just went ahead and left this. This is an envelope here, and I'm used repositionable tape so that you can open and close it more than once. I'm just going to flip this all back. Not sure if that's the way it goes or not. Then you untie it again. Well, let me show you. This is the back of the book. And you untie the back. And back here is your third stack. It's a smaller stack. This is an envelope. The other envelopes, I was a little upset with myself. I meant to put windows in a lot of these pockets. That's why they're just images. But you can put something on them, obviously. But I forgot. So on this side is the third stack. So this is the envelope with a window. This is a little bit bigger than a coin envelope. And my friend made it for me out of scraps. She made a whole bunch of this size envelopes and sent them to me in the CD. And it's attached to the flap of a large invitation envelope. So that opens. There's a writing space and a place to put a small image or pocket. And then there's a large pocket here, which is the actual inside of the envelope, which you can't get my finger in right now, but it does open. I must have accidentally stuck it when I was doing the papers. I'll have to go back and loosen it up. This side is 3 envelopes. There's a large pocket up here because this is another 6x9 envelope. There's a pocket here. The inside of the envelope here. A pocket here. The inside of the envelope here. I'm going to go back and paper these, I think. They look a little scruffy. I was kind of going for the look of the book, and I don't like it. And there's a pocket here, and you open it up in the inside of the envelope here. And a place to put a tuck or another pocket. And that's it. Oh no, that's not it. In between each of the sections is a large pocket. There's a large pocket in the cover with a manila folder card, which I'm not going to try to take out because it came out a minute ago, but apparently I put it back in crooked. So that's it. It's a little wobbly because, you know, I don't have a journal sewn in. But, and that, dear folks, is how you make an envelope stack book. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and catch the tutorial. It's 5 videos long, so that's not too bad. And just so you know, there were a lot of hours spent papering that is not in the 5-part video series. So just think in your brain that you're going to have to do that. Okay, so that's it for this video. And I will see you in the next video series. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.